Hello everyone. So this week we are going to continue our solving equations. Most of this week is going to be set up as 4 questions of notes and then 4 questions on your own. That's going to be the main setup of this week. So I'm trying to space it out quite a bit. So up first we have our 4 questions of notes. And today we're going to look at combining like terms with solving equations. So number 1, we have 10x plus 5x equals 30. Okay, I have to combine my like terms. I have like terms on the left with 10x and 5x. They're both x terms, so I can add those together. So 10x plus 5x is 15x equals 30. And now to get rid of multiplying by 15, I'm going to have to divide by 15, and x will equal 2. And that is my final answer for number 1. I'll do number 2 in blue. Number 2, we've got 10x plus 7 plus 3 equals 50. Okay, and on the left, I can combine some like terms here. I can combine positive 7 and positive 3. I'm going to show you a different way of doing this either tomorrow or Wednesday, but for right now, we're going to just combine our like terms. So positive 7 goes with positive 3. So that gets me 10x, which I can't combine with 7 and 3. X's and regular numbers are not alike. X's with X's, numbers with numbers. Positive 7 and positive 3 is just adding, so that's positive 10 equals 50. Okay, so I added the 7 and 3 together, and I got 10. So I have 10x plus 10 now equals 50. And we're going to solve it just like normal. We're going to start with the red 10 here. We're going to subtract 10 from both sides. So we'll get 10x equals 40. And now we're going to divide both sides by 10. And x will equal 4. Okay, so that's notes, number 1, number 2. Pause, copy, make sure you got that down. And now here come notes, number 3 and number 4. So number 3, we have 7x plus 9 plus 3x plus 1 equals 90. Okay, I have some like terms over on the left. I have x's with x's, so positive 7x with positive 3x. Again, remember, notice how I'm boxing off the plus sign. That way I know it's positive. So we have 7x and 3x is 10x. Okay, right? Red with red, the red boxes with the red 10x there. Now we'll use some green and a different shape. We'll use circles. So positive 9 with positive 1 is, again, going to be positive 10. Okay, so 7x and 3x is 10x. Match the colors, right? Red, 9 and 1, green, plus 10 equals 90. Now again, we're going to solve like normal. We're going to start with the green 10. So we're going to minus 10 from both sides. We'll get 10x equals 80. And we'll divide by 10. And x will be 8. Okay, and the last one for notes is going to be combining terms on like terms on both sides. So we have 5x plus 2x equals 48 plus 1. So on the left, I can combine 5x and 2x is 7x. And there's nothing else there with it, so I really don't need to make the boxes in squares. It's kind of overkill. That's just 7x. 48 plus 1 is 49. And we divide both sides by 7. And x will be 7. Okay, so those are your 2 rounds of notes. Pause it, make sure you got that down. And here come 5, 6, 7, and 8, which will be on your own. So number 5, 5x plus 3x equals 24. If you're looking for help, number 5 is like number 1, number 6 is like number 2, number 7 is like number 3, and number 8 is like number 4. 7x plus 19 plus 2 equals 70. Number 7, 2x plus 6. Again, this is number 7. Here, let me put that in green so you don't think that's part of the problem. Plus 3x plus 4 equals 50. And number 8, 8x plus 3x equals 30 plus 3. Okay, so those are yours to do on your own. Make sure you leave enough room between 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 so you can show your work. Don't put them on 5 and 6 on one line and then 7 and 8 on the next line. Do 5 and 6 and then do 7 and 8 down below. And that's it for today.